In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily manually change region and time zone on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to head over to Settings. To do that, swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap at that gear. Now, guys, here at Settings, we need to scroll down until we find General Management. Here, select Date and Time. And then first off, we need to turn off the option Automatic Time Zone to be able to configure it manually. Here, if we tap at Select Time Zone, we can see that my current region is Russia and the time zone is Moscow. However, if we tap right here, we can choose a different region. Let's say I'm gonna search for United States here. And once I've selected the region, then I can easily, right from that list, select a time zone. Let's say I'm gonna choose Denver here. And that's how we can easily change region and time zone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.